Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. The name Lamborghini has always been synonymous with luxury, speed, and cutting-edge innovation. As we step into 2025, the brand once again raises the bar with its latest lineup, combining jaw-dropping performance, futuristic technology, and sustainability. First, let's talk about designate. Lamborghini's visual identity has always been about aggression, elegance, and innovation. The 2025 models take this to the next level. Aerodynamic lines have been enhanced with active aerodynamics that adapt in real time to driving conditions, making every inch of the car not just beautiful, but functional. Sharp LED light signatures have been incorporated into the front and rear, giving the cars an unmistakable presence on the road. One highlight in the lineup is the Lamborghini Revuelto, an evolution of the classic V12 supercar. It's powered by a next-generation plug-in hybrid drivetrain, combining the thunderous roar of a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine with 3 electric motors. The result? A staggering combined output of over 1,000 horsepower. Lamborghini calls it the HEV, or high-performance electrified vehicle. This car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. All while maintaining Lamborghini's signature driving dynamics. But that's not all. Sustainability has been a significant focus for Lamborghini. By 2025, the company has pledged to reduce its carbon footprint significantly, aligning with its ambitious Tyresine Cortore roadmap. This roadmap includes a complete electrification of the lineup by 2030. The hybrid powertrains introduced this year are a major step in that direction, blending performance with responsibility. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini has upped its game in terms of luxury and technology. The interiors feature premium, eco-conscious materials such as recycled carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather sourced responsibly. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a state-of-the-art digital cockpit, equipped with Lamborghini's latest infotainment system. It boasts a high-resolution touchscreen with haptic feedback, seamless smartphone integration, and advanced driver assistance systems that enhance both safety and convenience. Now, let's dive into one of Lamborghini's most exciting technologies for 2025, Predictive AI. This advanced system uses machine learning to anticipate the driver's needs, adjusting everything from suspension settings to power delivery. Imagine the car adapting to your driving style on the fly, optimizing performance whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling sharp corners on a track. And speaking of tracks, Lamborghini hasn't forgotten its motorsport roots. The 2025 lineup incorporates cutting-edge technology inspired by its racing division, Squadra Corsa. Features like all-wheel drive, active torque vectoring, and advanced aerodynamics ensure that these cars remain kings of the track. But what's impressive is how this track-ready DNA translates seamlessly to everyday driving, making the cars both exhilarating and practical. Another exciting development is Lamborghini's embrace of connectivity. The 2025 models are equipped with 5G technology, enabling over-the-air updates, real-time navigation, and enhanced vehicle-to-vehicle communication. This means your Lamborghini will not only stay up to date with the latest software but also interact with other connected vehicles to improve safety and traffic efficiency. Of course, Lamborghini wouldn't be Lamborghini without customization. The Ad Personam program continues to let owners tailor their vehicles down to the smallest detail. From bespoke paint colors and unique wheel designs to personalized interiors, the possibilities are nearly limitless. This program ensures that every Lamborghini is as unique as its owner. On the subject of exclusivity, Lamborghini has also introduced a limited edition hypercar for 2025. Rumored to be called the Titanio, this model is a celebration of Lamborghini's heritage and innovation. With a production run of just 63 units, it features a lightweight titanium chassis, a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, and an active aero system that redefines the boundaries of aerodynamics. The Titanio is a testament to Lamborghini's ability to blend artistry and engineering. For those looking for an SUV, the Urus continues to dominate its segment. The 2025 Urus S takes luxury SUVs to new heights with enhanced performance, refined styling, and an available hybrid option. It's not just a super SUV, it's a lifestyle statement, perfect for those who demand versatility without compromising on performance. The question on everyone's mind is, how does Lamborghini stay true to its roots while embracing the future? The answer lies in its philosophy. Lamborghini remains committed to delivering the visceral excitement and emotional connection that comes with driving a supercar. Even as the brand moves toward electrification, the essence of Lamborghini, a celebration of speed, sound, and style, remains unchanged. In 2025, Lamborghini proves once again why it's a leader in the automotive world. With its perfect balance of tradition and innovation, the brand continues to redefine what's possible in the realm of high-performance luxury cars. So, what do you think about Lamborghini's journey into the future? Is the hybrid revolution what you expected from the iconic brand, or do you think the roar of the V12 will always reign supreme? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest in automotive innovation.